best Walt Disney has done.
This is the Muppet News Flash, live backstage with the ardent admirers of the Electric Mayhem's lead guitarist Janice, the Jan fans. For sure! Are you excited for the concert? For sure! Is it true the Mayhem still hasn't arrived?
Everybody keep moving forward. You're not in the file line. Hey, student.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound?
Electric Mayhem, should we really be heading to your concert? We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Miss Piggy.
And that is how you stall a show. They couldn't get enough of one. I mean, who even needs the mayhem now?
You were a revelation. She was an unmitigated disaster.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea Dr. Honeydew.
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced L.I.M.O.
Hey, how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
How we feel about a band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
You two, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
All right, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.
Okay, we're off to the concert in 1, 2,
See you later. Rock on!
All these dust bunnies. Oh, get out of here, dust bunnies.
I mean, there's so many elements that go into it. Any little hiccup and things slow everything down. You got no control over that.
That's so good.
Push up on that restrainer, everyone. Push all the way up. Up. And just hold on.
Now sit back and enjoy what I'm sure will be a gentle and relaxing ride to the concert. Or maybe not. Let's patch our guests into the concert audio.
How about we continualize the tempo? Peter Sergeant Pepper, Sergeant Floyd Pepper, care to do the harmonious island? That was unexpected.
This Electric Mayhem band sure knows a thing or two about rock. Rock and roll? No, rock bottom. I don't know any of this music. I wish they'd cover more songs.
I wish they'd cover my ears.
Hey, you made it! Go ahead and bang your things up into the mic. Enjoy the show!